express what salvation is in Islam?
Yes, I will explain.
Tell me.
Salvation in Islam, as the Prophet Muhammad said, is in you, the human being, worshipping the Creator without associating partners unto him. So salvation in Islam is monotheism. So monotheism is your salvation. Paganism, which is to worship the creation that you are involved in, is your condemnation. This is why it is impossible for a Christian to go to paradise, because they worship the creation rather than worshiping the Creator. I understand? So, and even though Jesus himself said you should worship God and God alone, and he said the greatest commandment is to worship God alone. Jesus said, bring my enemies here and kill them in front of me.
Where?
Luke 19 verse 27. Luke 19 verse 27. Find it. Bring my enemies here. He said, all the people who refuse to accept me as their king, bring my enemies all in front of me. You understand? Luke 19 verse 27. And kill them. The problem with the Christians is that we the Muslims know the Bible more than you. You understand?
Read that out of your Bible here, Bishop.
Luke 19 verse
27. Find that.
So when you criticize us about jihad, you trap yourself, because Jesus, he preached jihad.
Read it. Enemies which will not
accept
that I should reign over them, bring hither and slay them before me.
That's right. You did not know that was in the Bible.